Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option Screen Timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes in this device. So all you have to do is to mark the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes. And now let's go back. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.